Hi everyone, this is Chandrasekhar Devarakonda. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to build a strong resume which stands out to the recruiters. Do you know, friends, recruiters have only 6 seconds of their time for either selecting or rejecting our job application or our resume? Yes, it is very true. So, resume plays a very crucial role in our job application process. Resume is nothing but our personal advertisement or our first impression for the recruiters. Yes, friends. So, the good resume has three major constraints. They are a good structure and a very good content and a validable formatting structure. Okay, friends, let's build a strong resume with me. Okay, friends, now I'm going to explain how to structure your resume and also how to fill the content in relevant manner. So, coming to the structure of a resume. So, in the structure, mainly your name should be in the top of a resume, and following that, the contact information also should be pasted there. So, in the contact information, there should be your name and your email address and your phone number and also your LinkedIn webpage link. So, followed by that thing, there should be your summary and objective of a resume. So, summary of a resume defines what accomplishments you have done or what portion you are looking for or what is the current portion of yours. And remember, friends, summary of a resume should be 2 or 3 lines, and it should be in a very concise manner and in a clear cut manner. So, followed by your education details. And friends, your education should be in a reverse chronological order. So, the latest degree should be in the top, and your undergraduate should be in the below. And friends, there should be only 2 degrees in your it should be resume, and it should contains your graduation date and your expected graduation date or year. So, coming to the next thing, your employment details or your past experiences. So, there you can list your past experiences, where you have worked, which time you have worked, or which projects you have been accomplished, or which technologies you have worked in that projects and all. So you can list it in a bullet formats. So in a creative way, you can list all those things in a bullet points. So coming to the next thing, your skills. So in the skills, we can parts in 2 ways. So they were your soft skills and your technical skills. So technical skills means what the technical skills you have acquired, and what computer skills like Python, SQL, etc., which you have drawn from. And coming to the soft skills. So soft skills should be your communication skills mainly focused. So if you can add, or if there is space to add, you can add your hobbies also in the next coming line. So coming to the last part of a resume building process, which is formatting a resume. So formatting a resume also plays a key role in resume building process to stand out for the recruiters. So remember, friends, your resume should not last than 2 pages. It should be either 1 page or 2 pages. If you are fresher, it should be 1 page, or if you have any experiences in other company or organizations, you can expand or you can list your projects and your experience skills up to 2 pages only. It should be the last one. So coming to the font style and font sizes, we should use only standard font or any professional font to the resume, which are Calibri, Aptos, Arial, or Times New Roman. And your font size of a content should not be greater than 10 or 11. It should be vary between 10 size or 11 size. And if you use any bullet points in the resume, it should be not more than 2 lines, friends. And you can use any action verbs in front of bullet points. Please remember that. And coming to the format of a resume, coming to the margin format of a resume, it should be a standard margin, which is 1 inch margin. It is very standard of a margin format. So if coming to the template of a resume, we should only use a standard template styles. We should not take AI help, or we should not take any AI generated templates. So it feels very awkward to the recruiters, and it will not show any professionalism to the recruiters. So there are many chances to get rejections at early stage. And coming to colors, animations, or graphics, so you can use colors such as standard colors such as yellow, blue for only highlighting the keywords or key skills which you have possessed. You should not use any animations. You should not use any graphics in your resume. And there is another key thing to remember, friends. We should not include our photo as per USA standards. It is restricted in USA standards. So, and also, friends, I want to tell you about a tailoring of a resume, which is also very important. And so, we should tailor our resume as per job description or job post. So our relevant skill should highlighted be most. It should be relevant for the job post which we are applying for, and it is a very important thing to note. And the last thing which many students are failing to do, that we should not we should not use whole AI to generate our resume. We can only take help of AI for checking our grammar, and also any structure of should be any correction in the structure of grammar only. We should not use whole AI in the grammar. Okay, friends, let's build a good resume, a professional formatted resume. Come with me.
Friends, hello everyone. So, in this recording, I'm going to explain how to build a strong resume by showing you all an example resume or an ideal resume in front of you. Let's go. So, this is the ideal format of the resume. So, coming to the past or coming digging from the old video, the three main contents of the video are structure, content, and finishing. So the structure of the resume should be in the top, it should be your contact details or your name. Coming to the next, your summary, and next, your education or work experiences. Or coming next, it should be your projects or any achievements or any technical skills certifications as follows. So I think this is the main structure of a resume. So structure plays a very important role in building a strong resume. So we should structure should be in a very neat chronological order. So structure should be not jumbled. Okay, like at the top it should be only your details, and under that summary, under that education, your details of work experience. It should be in the same order which I have presented. And the ideal resume should be less than 2 pages or less than or equal to 2 pages. It should not last up to 3 pages. So a good and perfect resume can last up to 1 page. So coming to the next one, which is content. So in the title, it should be your contact details, that is your name, your email ID, your phone number, your address, or you can add your LinkedIn or GitHub links here. So make sure that you should not include your gender in the resume or your marital status in the resume. And the main thing, you should not include your photo in the resume. It is very against to the laws in the US. So coming to the next summary. Your summary means what you have done in the past and what job you are searching for, what you are in the skill of. So, and it shows your whole content of whole resume. Summary, as name suggests, it is the summary of a resume. It should be last up to like yeah, maximum up to 3 lines. It should not be more than that. Okay. Coming to the next one, education. So education, we should include our past education or current education in this section session. So like it should be, remember friends, it should be in the reverse chronological order. So first you should set your latest degree, under that, and the last latest degree also. And remember that we should include up to our only undergrad or our minor itself. So only two are enough. In the right corner, it should be our graduation month and graduation year, or you can add your CGPA also. So coming to the next, work experience. Work experience, you can add your organization name or city of work or state and also country of work. In the right, you can mention your date or month, till how much years you worked for. And coming to the next one, you should mention your role and designation. And you can mention in bullet points such as what you have done in the organization, what you have contributed in the organization in there. So remember, friends, it should be mainly started with the action verb, such as worked for, written, like that, created, you know, like it should be in that format. And coming to the projects, you can mention number of projects here and also the month you project you worked for and the year which you have completed also in the tenure of your organization experience. So in the bullet points, it should be as first thing, it should be started with the action verb, and also and next one, what did you do and what did you gain in that project, and what is the efficiency of the project you have done, what is the work percentage, what is the achievements you have done in the project. So it should be in this order. So if you observe, all these bullet points are mentioned like that only. So for example, here worked as, so here I mentioned what I did in that project, and also it it is a efficiency percentage. So coming to the next, technical skills. Technical, you can mention your technical skills, all the skills here. Don't add any unnecessary skills like, like dancing, singing, which is not relevant to the job description. You should only include which is suitable for your job application. Coming to the next, certifications. You can mention your certifications also, which month you have done, which year you have completed the certification also. It should be must. So coming to the next, it can be leadership roles, extracurricular activities. If you have done any leadership roles here, you can mention in that on extracurricular activities also, which are related to the job description. And remember, friends, we should not add any extra things to the resume which are not suitable for the job application. And the last main thing is formatting. So if you observe here, all the resumes formatted in the same font, and it is spaced right manner. So it is all spaced in the middle, so it is not clumsy at all. So, and the last and final thing, tailoring. So we need to tailor our resume for our certain job application. We need to change our job application status or job application summary for tailoring the resume. So friends, from this, I will conclude that I will conclude the video about the resume building. Hope you all like it.